Build a multi-point, hands-free to handheld tablet security system with CTA Digital's tablet security grip with Quick Connect base and VESA mount. Perfect for points of sale, classrooms, waiting rooms, and more. This clever 3-mode locking tablet stand gives you one wall mount and one countertop mount for your tablet, while still allowing full theft protection in handheld use. The locking tablet holder disconnects from either of the two display stands with the simple click of a button. While disconnected from the stand, your tablet stays locked in the metal security grip and anchored to your counter, tabletop, or other permanent fixture with a galvanized steel security cable. The cable can even be anchored to the stand base itself. Let your customers complete their transactions in the palm of their hand, then reattach the tablet grip when they are done. The corner grip tablet holder also permits full access to your tablet's ports, buttons, and cameras. The countertop stand base allows full side-to-side angle adjustment and 360-degree rotation for portrait and landscape orientations, and can be mounted to your reception desk or retail counter via pre-drilled holes. The VESA plate wall mount is also equipped with full angle adjustment and 360-degree rotation, and can either be mounted directly to a wall or connected to other VESA-compliant equipment. This stand is compatible with most 7 to 12-inch tablets, including iPad mini, iPad Generation 6, Galaxy Tab S4 10.5, and more.